Brighten up your holidays and outdoor spaces with Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. These smart RGBIC outdoor lights are perfect for transforming your home into a festive wonderland. With 75 customizable scene modes and vibrant colors, these lights let you create a dazzling display for every occasion, from Christmas and New Year's to backyard gatherings. This 100-foot set features 72 LED lights, offering incredible brightness and coverage to illuminate large areas. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures these lights can withstand all weather conditions, so you can keep them shining bright no matter the season. Control your lights effortlessly with Alexa or Google Assistant, using voice commands to change colors, set schedules, or sync to music for extra fun. Whether you're looking to add holiday cheer or just elevate your outdoor space, Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights bring smart customization to your fingertips. Install once and enjoy year-round lighting that's perfect for parties, holidays, or creating a cozy ambiance. Simple to install and easy to control, these lights will be your new favorite decoration.